Have you lost a friend? Stay here. This story may surprise you. My friend ignored me. Why? Monday morning felt different. My friend smiled yesterday. Today, he looked away. I felt confused, really confused. I waved happily. He never waved back. I called, "Good morning." Silence answered me. That hurt deeply. I walked slowly. My heart felt heavy. Maybe he felt angry. Maybe I made mistakes. I remembered Friday. We studied together. We laughed together. We shared snacks. Everything seemed normal. So what happened? Tuesday arrived quickly. I tried again. "Hello, Ben." Nothing happened. He kept walking. He avoided my eyes. I felt invisible. My classmates noticed. One friend asked, "Are you okay?" I forced a smile. "I think so." Inside, I worried. Maybe Ben hated me. Maybe rumors spread. Maybe someone lied. I could not concentrate. My homework looked difficult. Even lunch tasted boring. That afternoon ended quietly. Wednesday came next. I made another plan. I wrote a note. The note said, "Did I upset you? Please tell me. I want understanding." I placed it carefully near Ben's notebook. Then I waited. Nothing happened. The note disappeared. No reply came. Now I felt worse. I almost cried. School finished early. I walked home slowly. Rain started falling. Tiny drops sparkled. The weather matched me, sad and quiet. Thursday morning arrived. I almost gave up. Then something strange happened. Ben entered late. He looked exhausted. His eyes seemed tired. He carried thick books. He sat silently. The teacher smiled. "Welcome back, Ben. Feeling better now?" Feeling better? I became curious. Better from what? Class ended peacefully. I followed Ben, not too closely. I spoke softly. "Can we talk?" He stopped walking. He looked surprised. "Oh, you?" His voice trembled. "I am sorry." I ignored everyone. Everyone? Not only me? I listened carefully. My ears were infected. They hurt badly. Sounds became painful. I avoided conversations. I feared more pain. Oh, everything suddenly made sense. He continued speaking. My doctor recommended silence. I followed instructions. I even skipped school. I couldn't explain earlier. My phone also broke. "I lost your number." He smiled gently. "I never hated you." I laughed softly. I misunderstood everything. Ben nodded slowly. So did I. We both smiled. Relief filled my heart. The heavy feeling disappeared. We walked together again, talking carefully, laughing quietly. Friday finally arrived. School felt brighter. Lunch tasted delicious again. We solved homework together. Everything felt normal. Almost. Ben suddenly whispered, "My ears still hurt." So speak gently, I answered softly. No problem. We laughed again. Sometimes silence hides kindness. Sometimes silence hides pain. Sometimes silence needs patience. Never guess too quickly. Ask kindly first. Listen carefully always. People carry hidden stories. Not every silence means anger. Not every distance means hate. Understanding builds stronger friendships, and patience protects relationships. That became my lesson. Maybe yours too. Did you enjoy this story? Write your answer below. Subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.
The dark, but somewhere